Open up the window. I'm breathing in the last of September. I can feel the wind blow, and the late summer sky is like a dying ember. Everything is turning into gold. When the autumn leaves are playing chase, it puts a smile up on my face. They leave their branches one by one and whirl around there just for fun. Some are faster, some are slow, and some are high and some are low, dancing through the last days of September.
Hey everyone, wanted to give you the first update for the M26. The dates for M26 this year are going to be September 24th through the 27th. You can come as early as you want, you can stay as late as you want. Reservations begin January 2nd. You'll have to call the Lake of Dreams Campground at 989-643-0403. Tell them you are with the M26. They'll know where to put you. If you have a site that you want, the earlier that you call, the higher chances you're going to get that site you want. We also have a new website dedicated just to the M26. I want to separate it from the Where Are We Staying website. That new website is MichiganYouTubeMeetup.com. We also have a new email, and it is questions@MichiganYouTubeMeetup.com. For the activities, we have some new time slots. We're going to move a few things around. Returning for 26 is the Candy Bar Bingo, Camp Trivia, Karaoke, and the Puddle Jump. As far as everything else, I'm not sure yet. I have not talked to Cruising with the Colemans to see if they're coming or not. If they do, they typically will do their cocktail hour with the Colemans, which is always a big hit. As soon as I hear from them, I'll let you guys know. So like I said, we're going to have some time slot changes just to make it a little bit easier and so we don't have two different events overlapping. If there's an activity that you would like to host and there's a time slot available, let us know and we will add it. That's about it for this update. Again, reservations start January 2nd. You have to call the campground. You cannot make reservations online. Those spots will be blocked out. Check out the campground map on our website or on the Facebook group page to find the site that you would like. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me through email or on the Facebook, and I will answer your questions as soon as I can. Until next time, happy trails.